Hi friends, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how to make this awesome logo in Inkscape. This is very simple and very useful for beginners. First create a circle and convert it to path and duplicate it. Change the color. Now arrange both circle like this. Select the both and go to path and click on intersection. Click on difference. Now duplicate it and again duplicate it. Change the color. Arrange these two objects like this. Enable the snap tool, disable it, drag to bottom, arrange like this, select the both and go to path and click on difference. So we have a object like this. Now change the color. Now duplicate it. Now select the both blue object, go to extension and use this extension. Increase it, apply. Now select all the blue object only. Select only the blue object. Now go to object. First resize it. There is some little bit arrangement. Now again select all the blue object and go to object and click on ungroup. Now select again all the blue object and click on union. Now select all these, click on union. Now we have a single object. Now select this object from bottom and duplicate it. Now select it with blue object and go to path and click on intersection. Now select this object and change the color. Now select this one and change the color. Now select all these and group it, duplicate this shape, here is transform tool, or you can enable it from object menu, rotate it on 90 degree, and we have to snap like this, duplicate it, again rotate it, needs some more rotation. Now select this one and duplicate it, rotate it, now enable the snapping tool from here, now we have to snap all these objects, snap it carefully, it will automatic snap if you are enabled snapping option. It's done. Now select all these and go to object and ungroup it. Now select this object from bottom, you can apply gradient color on this, you can choose any color according to your need. Select this point and remove transparency and change the color. I have added a extra point. Now select this shape, go to gradient and choose this gradient color. Edit the gradient. Now select this one, again apply pre-created gradient. Repeat the same command. Select it. Edit the gradient. You can choose any color according to your need. I know very well you can make better than me. Your appreciation always boost my energy, and thanks for your support. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.